watching. It's me, your friendly neighborhood Deacon Gene. And it's Wednesday. I should be saying Bongiorno, tutti, to all my paisans and gubaris out there, because Wednesday, Italian shave day. You know what that means.
Hump day!
Yeah, Camel, I know. It's Hump day. Yes,
Hump
Camel,
day!
I know. It's Hump day.
Yeah!
Anyway, now the Camel's awake. I'm barely awake because we had a late night last night on bowling. It was a good night. We took, what did we take? We took 5 points in the early session, and we took 9 points, which is everything, in the late session. It was a good night. Good night for me. I had 2 series that were over 500, well over 500, and that's an accomplishment for me. Anyway, that's my bowling story for today. What are we doing today? We're shaving like we always do. And today on Wednesday, we've been doing Italian theme for Italian Heritage Month. We're gonna go a little more Italian theme today. I got Antica Barberia Titan that they were kind enough to send me. And I've got the brush soaking because it's a natural fiber. What else are we doing? From Captain's Choice is our soap and splash for today. Italia. Does that say Italian or what? And I'll tell you. Oh, this is pure almond heaven. Oh man, look at that. I wish this was smell-o-vision. The scent that was prominent in a lot of Italian barbershops, from what I understand, back in the old country. We've got the matching splash. I wasn't quite sure what to use, so I consulted the interwebs and a little bit of computer programming, shall we say. And my choice of cologne is this guy right there from Barrett. That is Mr. Moore. And Mr. Moore's got some lavender. It's got some cedar. I believe it's got cardamom. I'll put the notes down below. But everything points that this will pair quite well. At least I think it will, anyway. And hopefully the computers and the AI and everything are correct. If not, oh well. Anyway, that's what we're doing, shaving with today. Quick joke for the day. There's a minister, a priest, and a rabbi sitting around talking about how they take care of the collections and that sort of thing. And the priest says, well, what we do is we draw a circle and we throw all the money up in the air. Whatever lands in the circle goes to the church and goes to God. Whatever goes outside goes to the priest. The minister says, we do something very similar. We throw it in the air. Whatever goes in the middle goes to the reverend and that sort of thing. And everything outside the circle goes to the church and God. The rabbi says, well, we do something very similar. We throw it all up in the air. And whatever God catches, he keeps. I'm going to go make a lather. And I'm going to be right back. Hey, and I'm back. I finished making the lather. Let me show you this. I got my razor rock bowl here. Yeah, that's the noise that you hear. But, oh my goodness. Oh my God. Look at that. That is nice and almondy. Yum. You can almost eat that. But don't do that. Don't eat the lather. When we get a bellyache. Severely, I believe. Never tried it, but I'm not going to. So, I'm going to put some water on the face. Because hydration is important when you're shaving. Let's get some lather on the face. And I've already taken care of 2 of the 3 S's. So let's get to the shave, shall we? Oh man, look at that. Oh, I'm gonna lose lather here. Uh-oh. Don't want to do that. Because we want all this almond deliciousness that we could use. Smooth it out a little bit, make it look nice and pretty. And let's clear the lips so we can see what we're saying. Here we go. And I've got that, what do you call it? Yeah, what do you call it? The albatross blade in here. That is supposedly made in Italy. This is a website says IT, Italian. Doesn't stand for information technology. And last night and yesterday, Brenda and I celebrated a milestone. It's 25 years ago. That we had our first sort of date. We went to a party. We sat and we talked, and one thing led to another. No, not that. Not that. But that was the night that started it all. And I would love to be able to collect on some of the side bets that were made by some people that said we'd never make it. Surprise! $25 That woman's a saint. Putting up with me for 25 years. Very, very nice. Wasn't a lot of blade feel or anything, but it's enjoyable. I got a couple of spots that I know I'm going to have to go over. No big deal, because this is a great smell of lather. It feels good. Everything glides. It's an enjoyable shave, I tell you. Anyway, heading back out to the priest convocation when I finish here. Back out the the Marriott Intercontinental Hyatt Hilton, whatever hotel it is. Well, we as the IT department, but they answer questions and help with setting up the new diocesan email accounts. And that's the residual. Lots of nice slickness. When I get home, I'm going to go over my homily for this weekend and the gospel in Spanish. Probably asking yourself, Deacon, why are you preaching and reading in Spanish this weekend? Well, by decree of our Bishop Joe Vasquez, this weekend is Deacon Sunday, where deacons get to talk about their vocation and try to push it. Well, I'm going to push the envelope. And try to do it at all three masses. So if you're in Martindale, Texas this weekend, 6 o'clock Saturday, 8 a.m. Sunday, and always 9:30 on Sunday mornings, come by, say hello. Come and hear a homily. Why not? I'll be there. Couple of spots. I'm not doing this, Hey, nobody's made me mad, but I was just checking. A couple of spots I gotta do. You know what? Let's make this quick. Monday night went to my granddaughter's basketball game. Unfortunately, they got blown out. But the one good thing is, my granddaughter Piper scored the first basket to keep it from being a shutout. But as a grandfather should, great game. You guys played your hearts out. My prayers, and hopefully yours too, go out for the people in Florida, in North Carolina, that were affected by Hurricane Helene, and those that are being affected by, I think it's Milton. They're getting hit again. especially areas like Asheville and Smoky Mountains and that whole area. It's pretty much devastated. It's not easy. I have family and friends, and not just shaving friends, but actual family in both areas, and good friends that have relocated down there. That I'm trying to get a hold of. To make sure that they're okay. So just say a prayer for them. Oh wow. Beautiful. Absolute. BB&S. No cuts, no nicks, no errors. Get a little water on here. And my Mets won again last night. Now, one went away from the division, the National League. Then they'll have to take on the winners of the Padres-Dodgers series. And the Padres are up 2-1. Let's go, Mets. It's been a while. I'd love to see it. And all Met fans would like to see it. We're all batso crazy. You know that. Let's get a hat dry. Toss. In and out. Okay, it's time to shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake that aftershave. Shake that aftershave. Oh, man. Almost drink this stuff. But not recommended. I mean, consuming alcohol is not bad in moderation. Talking to two of the priests yesterday, we were helping with emails, and the subject of alcohol came up. And I said, well, you know what they say, Father, well, concerning us Catholics, where two or more are gathered, there's always a fifth. That's twice in one day. Anyway, love that set. Let's see how this pairs. This Mr. Moore. There we go. Mr. Moore. Not bad. Not bad at all. I like that lavender and the cedar coming over the top with the almond. It's pretty good. Anyway, that's our shave for today. Antica Barberia and Captain's Choice. And the Razor Rock. That's the shave for today. Shaving is not one of the most exhilarating parts of your day. You might be doing something wrong. As always, be good to yourselves and to each other. Have a great day and smooth shaves. We'll see you on Friday. Ciao for now. Band, do it up.